Girl Gnome 2. Instead of just a hair tie, she's got bow for hair ties and a different hat and different style hair. There are 5 23mm and 2 57mm that make up this design. So to put this together, so this is the bottom hair, this is the top hair, those are the bows, this is the body, feet, and nose, and then the hat. This is a massive hat. It's huge. But yeah, well, hat goes on last. The hat always goes on last in every single gnome design. I don't think that will ever change. Okay, so I'm gonna move the hat over here out of the way. So I think what I generally do is I put the nose on first with the men, and I think I'm going to do that with her too. So that's just gonna go on top. Then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna flip it over first, put the feet on, then put the nose on. So let's trim these up. So the feet are a little, just half round basically. Just find the flat side. The flat side's gonna go on the bottom. Distilled water along the length. And just gently push it in. Remember, everything's gently so you don't disform anything. Like, we don't want to squish the bottom part where the nose is going to go in any. So you don't want to, I'm kind of holding it up almost off the table as I gently push the foot in. I have the feet in. Just gonna kind of gently push down now to make sure I filled in, like, got the feet filling in and there aren't any air gaps. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the nose on, and then we'll do the hair from there. Now, I couldn't extrude the entire length in one piece because the extruder didn't hold enough. So I went with the gray and pink. I had some gray soap dough I needed to use, so that just made sense. And I really like gray and pink as color schemes anyways, so I was like, yeah, we'll do gray and pink. Okay, so this is the hair tie. So you see how the skinny part, so this shaped this way will go on this side. So if I keep that, it should go like this in there. You see this little groove right in here? That's where the bow goes. So I wonder if it's easier to put the bow in and then the hair. I might do that. I think the bow will actually fit into that groove pretty easily. And then I can just slide the hair right in. Should go right in there. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and slide those into place. And then I think I'll put the bottom one on this side and then repeat the same on the other side. The hair piece, the wide arc goes on the inside and the concaved part goes on the outside. So this is going to fit in this way underneath the bow. And make sure that this is all laid flat so I have it the right direction. And I'm just going to slide that in under the bow. Don't push so hard that you deform the edge of the bow, or I mean the edge of the hair. It's just kind of, it will slide in. Kind of pinch your fingers to hold the hair to get it in there. Okay, look, we're getting there. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over, and this is what I don't want to squish. So I'm just gonna be careful. Again, I'm just gonna repeat the same thing I did. Put the bow in, put the top piece on, and then put the bottom piece on. And you just have to make sure you make sure you get the piece facing the right way. That's just kind of the big part with this. And if you don't have it in right, I think you will know because it won't fit. It won't look or slide in easily. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just speed this up a bit while I put this side on, and then we'll come back and do the hat. Okay, oh, she's looking so cute. Oh my gosh. Last part, this ginormous hat. Whew. Okay. So, ooh, it just basically will fit over the nose and the hair. Pretty simple. Basically just kind of going and pushing down along the sides to make sure it gets down into the groove and fills it all in so we don't have any air gaps. Flip it around, push on this side. Like what I'm doing is really kind of pushing here, using the table as kind of counter to get the sides to seal up. I am pushing the hair up just a little where needed. And I think that's good. Let's cut a piece off and see what we have. Oh, how adorable is that? Oh, it's so cute. Oops. Cut that. Look at that. Yeah, there's a little air bubble. These are the very end pieces. Basically kind of trimming it. Oops. Just broke off part of her hat. And look at that. Oh my gosh. I love her. That is just absolutely adorable. So there you have it. Two different designs. Technically three, but I don't think this bow one's gonna go. It's just a lot of work. I don't know if it's worth it. We'll see. Maybe if people like it and want it, I can offer it. But look, those are my gnomes, girl gnomes.